Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to set a desktop background on Lenovo Legion. There are two ways of doing that. The first one is really quick, and the second one gives you more customization features. So with the first one, you just need to find the photo that you want to set as your wallpaper, either in the File Explorer somewhere or just on your desktop. I have it on desktop. I need to right click on it, then click on set as desktop background. If I don't see it, I need to click on show more options. Then I should see here, and it's set. Of course I have the same picture, so it didn't change, but this is how it's supposed to work. Then you can go to the settings as well, and here will be the second method, which is going to the personalization, background, and here you can set it to a picture, a solid color, a slideshow, or a window spotlight. And here you can adjust anything that you want. So in the picture you can set a certain picture, but also you can choose a fit if the picture is in a different resolution than your screen. And there are also some other things, like in the slideshow you can select the picture album and adjust more settings. I'm gonna leave that on the picture, this one. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.